Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video.
Look at them, look at you.
So today's video is a get ready with me, y'all. I am excited because I finally got some new makeup, new to me. I don't know, maybe y'all try some of these products, but it's going to be my first time trying them out, and I wanted to share with you all what I picked up. So we have a quick Sephora and Ulta beauty haul. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to be using today. So we're going to start with the Sephora items. Okay, I picked up the Makeup by Mercier palette, and this is the Master Matte. So I'm excited because I am a neutral girl and I just needed a new neutral palette. So it looked like this, and these are the shades, beautiful shades. I had some points, so I got some samples. I don't think I'm going to use this today, but I did get Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray. And then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Skinny Brow Pencil. A sample, but we're not going to worry about that. Also, I am excited, y'all, because this has been sold out everywhere, and I've been on a hunt for this. So I got the Milk Makeup, and this is the Hydro Grip Gel Tint. I got it in the color 9. I am excited about using this today, and this is what the packaging looked like. It matched my nails. Oh my god, how cute. And then I don't know if I'm gonna be using these products today, but I got this brush from Amazon, and this is just like a I'm sorry, y'all, I'm also recording for TikTok. So I got this brush from Amazon, and this is like a eyeliner brush. You can do your wing with this. I also got some cosmetic tape from Amazon. I will link these items in my description box so you can find them in my Amazon storefront. Also, new to me, I am finally trying out the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I'm super excited about this, and I got this in the color Cookie. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. Okay, we got that. Ulta, I have, I think, everything in this bag. From Ulta, I have a butter gloss, and this is in Fortune Cookie. So we got a new gloss. And I also bought another NYX gloss, and this is a butter gloss in Eclair. I got a lip liner as well from NYX. I hope I don't already have this in Sand Pink. I don't think I'll be trying this today, but I did purchase it for the Eclair gloss. And then our last goodie from Sephora. I'm excited about this one. One size. Hold on, let me see. This is the Glass Setting Spray by One Size. It's a powder melt glass setting spray. So I am so excited to use these new products. So I'm going to speed through my makeup, y'all, because I have to be out of here by a certain time. It is 4:08, and I need to be done with my makeup by 5 o'clock. Dressed by 5:15 and out the door at 5:30. So I'm going to put some sunscreen on, and this is the Black Girl Sunscreen in 30. had heard mixed reviews about this palette, but I think I'm liking it. Like the colors blend in seamlessly. Like if you can tell, it is some fallout, but that's okay. Nothing I can't handle. But I like it. It blends very, very well. So I think now I'm gonna go in with this light shade right here with the flat brush, and I think this is matte 2. It has like numbers on the back, matte 1, matte 2, stuff like that. So if I remember, I'll put it like on the screen so y'all will know which colors I use. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, I like this. Very pigmented. Alright, now I'm about to try this foundation. Y'all, when I tell you this been selling out like crazy, so the lady helped match my color and she had it all wrong. She had gave me a dark shade, which was a 10, so I went one shade lighter, which is a number 9. And I think this one is going to work out better for me. I went to literally 3 stores looking for this. The lady told me she had put this on hold, but she didn't. So I had to go to a whole nother store, y'all. But I have faith. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is better. This is better. And this is my first time trying milk products, milk makeup. So, yeah, this color definitely blends in better than that 10. That 10 was just a little too dark. It feels so good on my skin. It blends well. It gives you a nice little hydrating glow, but then it also like sinks into your skin once you let it sit a little. And I'm excited because I've been wanting to try this concealer for a long time. I do have the foundation, so I wonder if it's too light. Let's see. In with the Wet n Wild highlighter. I think I told y'all I don't wear blush. I'm not a blush girl. I'm not a real like bronzer girl. I do have a bronzer, but I'm not gonna do a bronzer today. I think the contour is just fine. It's just my little signature look, y'all, pretty much. So now I'm going in with the One Glass setting spray. Let's see if it's gonna melt it all together. Let's see. I'm gonna use my Chestnut by MAC lip liner. know if y'all like it. I like the products that I use. I am loving these new products. I'm about to do my hair real quick, so I'm gonna come back and show y'all my hair. Well, we're gonna put the hair piece on together, baby, because we're doing a wig today. Something quick and simple and cute. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I'm gonna throw a clear gloss on top, and it's just some beauty supply gloss. I just want to give my lips more of a glossy look. These earrings are the earrings I'll be wearing. I need to hurry up because I am running behind, so I can show y'all my outfit real quick. Y'all seen this wig before? This is the curtain bang lace wig. So this is like my second buy. It is really cute, something to throw on, cute for the summer. So I got the first one off TikTok Shop, but I bought the second one off of Amazon. So it is in my Amazon storefront if y'all want to purchase this cute little curtain bang wig, y'all. Let me see. I gotta fix it, but the thing is, y'all, with my outfit, I'm actually wearing a hat today. So I didn't want to go get my hair done and get it curled just to throw a hat on because I wanted to do this certain look. So I'm actually gonna throw a hat on, but this is what it looks like. Oh, I got a brush down here. This is what it looks like without the hat. So, you know, you gotta play with it, get it right. It's giving like a little Beyonce. Yeah. So, but I'm gonna show y'all once I'm dressed. Y'all will see the whole look. It'll come together. So I'm gonna put the hair on the side because I kind of don't want it in the middle. So just bear with me, y'all. It's gonna come together. So I'm here with an outfit check. So this is something cute and casual. I'm going out to eat, but like, you know, a casual laid back restaurant. So I got this New York baseball cap on, this burgundy bodysuit. This necklace is from Dorado. This necklace is from Shein. This bracelet from Shein, my Marc Jacobs bracelet. And then I don't know if y'all can see, but I also have my Louis Vuitton bracelet on. Over here is some gold Shein bangles. This ring is from Shein. Pair this outfit with my cherry Coach bag. The jeans are from Old Navy. I have my Coach slides to match. And I'm gonna top this outfit off with some Louis Vuitton glasses.